Miller, where's your hair? Where's your hair? There it is. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? There it is. Where's your eyes?
Ah.
That's your nose. Where's your eyes? No. Where's your ears? Do you know where your ears are? That's your hair. There's your ear. Where's your other ear?
Oh.
There it is. Where's your belly button? Can you poke your belly button in?
Yeah.
Let's see. Poke it in. Good job.
Yeah.
Where's your mouth? There it is. Good job. Do you know where your toes are? Where's your toes?